welcome to MicroStrategy's Mobile App Developer Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to rebrand MicroStrategy Mobile for Android. It's common and expected for clients to want to customize their applications by integrating company, department, or subject-specific designs. Examples of these changes include insertion of new app icons, app name, and presentation of a custom splash entry screen. This video will show you how to achieve these tasks on applications deployed to Android devices. The possibilities for rebranding are reflected in this graphic. Change the name of the application, change the copyright information for the application, change the version number, change the icon, the splash screen, change the notification icon, and finally, change the icon displayed on the action bar for the app. For this course, we're assuming that you are on a Windows computer that already has the Java Development Kit installed, and also that you've just downloaded both the Android Development Tools bundle that include Eclipse IDE and the latest MicroStrategy Mobile Android SDK from the MicroStrategy download site. We'll begin with your environment setup, starting with setting up the folders. To begin, unzip the IDE bundle and the Android SDK file. This last one contains two Eclipse project folders. Next, copy the two project folder zip files, MicroStrategy Mobile Library zip and MicroStrategy Mobile zip, from the downloaded folder to your working directory. Now, extract the project folders, MicroStrategy Mobile Library and MicroStrategy Mobile, included in the respective zip files. Step 2. Import the project folders into the Workspace. Follow these steps to import the project folders. Now, start Eclipse. Close the welcome window. Select the Import option from right-clicking the Package Explorer. Then select the General Existing Projects into Workspace option and click Next. Choose Select Root Directory and click Browse to navigate to the folder, MicroStrategy Mobile Library. Select the folder and click OK. Click Finish and import the MicroStrategy Mobile Library project. Then do the same for MicroStrategy Mobile project. Step 3. Add jar files to the Java build path. Right-click the MicroStrategy Mobile Library project, click Properties, select Android, and select the project build target. Right-click the MicroStrategy Mobile project in the Package Explorer and select Properties. In the Properties for MicroStrategy Mobile Editor, select Java Build Path. In the Libraries tab, click Add Jars. Expand the MicroStrategy Mobile Library folder and then expand the libs folder, which is inside the MicroStrategy Mobile Library file. Select the two jar files, sdk.jar and zxing-1_6-core.jar, and click OK. Select the SDK version used to compile the application. Select Android from the left menu and check the project build target. From the window menu, select Android SDK Manager. Check the Tools and the Android Tree folders in order to install. Step 5. Build the project to confirm that the application compiles and deploys successfully. Make sure that the MicroStrategy Mobile project is selected in the Package Explorer. Then, from the Run menu, select Run as Android Application. We've received a message, so we're just going to fix project properties and repeat the process. Confirm that the application compiles and deploys successfully. We will now perform the rebranding actions. Let's follow the manual. We'll start by changing the name of the application. To give your application a custom name, update the value of the app_name attribute in strings.xml. For that, we open the values folder inside res. Open strings.xml with a text editor and update the value of the app_name attribute with the name of your application. Save your changes. Next, we'll change the copyright information for the app. To customize the copyright information displayed on the splash screen of the application, update the value of the Splash App copyright attribute in the locale-specific version of strings.xml. We're going to create a locale-specific values folder under United States English. We will add a strings.xml file to the values-n-rus folder, or use one that you've already created. And then we will add a Splash App copyright attribute to the strings.xml file and set its value to the string that represents the copyright information that you want displayed on the splash screen of the app. We will put our copyright information in this space. Don't forget to save your changes. The next rebranding action is to change the version number of the application. In the same file as before, we just have to add the appropriate information. Here we will put our version number, like V1 or V2 for instance, but for now we will leave it as it is. To customize the version number displayed on the splash screen of the application, update the value of the Splash App version attribute in the locale-specific version of strings.xml. Don't forget to save your changes. The next rebranding action is to change the icon for the app. We have to look for the drawable folders where we will have the different resolutions and different files for the icon. Icon.png. We need to open them up with an image editor. In this case, we are using Corel Photo Paint. To summarize, the drawable folders for different resolutions inside Res contain a PNG file called icon.png that represents the icon of the application. We then created a new application icon and named it icon.png. Finally, you overwrite the default icon.png in all the Res drawable folders with a new application icon. The next rebranding action is changing the splash screen for the application. We're going to search for the drawable folders again and add in the new splash.png files that are for different resolutions depending on which Android device we are developing for. You will need to have created a splash screen and named it splash.png ahead of time. We recommend using a transparent image to account for varying aspect ratios on Android devices. Remember to copy the new splash.png into all the Res drawable folders and save your changes. If you want to change the background color of the splash screen, simply open the color.xml file located in the Res values folder and change the code shown in bold below. We can also customize the notification icon and the icons displayed on the action bar for the app. Let's show the first one here. You will need to create a notification icon and name it notification.png. Copy the notification.png into all the Res drawable folders. Note, the action bar displays the name of the application and an icon, which is provided by a PNG file called app-icon.png. We are now going to build the project to confirm that the project compiles and deploys successfully. We're going to clean it first and then run the project as an Android app. And here's our app with our custom icon, name, splash screen, and our custom app version name and copyright info. And that's a wrap on this model course on Android rebranding.